Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll build a tiny C# console program that asks the user for their age and prints a friendly message like, "You look older than 20." This exercise reinforces reading input from the console, converting text into a numeric type, and printing a formatted response. It's a great little example to practice Console.ReadLine and Console.WriteLine. Let's walk through it. The goal is simple. We read a single integer value and then print a sentence that includes that number. This showcases basic console I/O and string formatting. In later exercises, you might add validation to handle non-numeric input, or vary the message based on ranges. But for now, we'll keep it straightforward. Here's the full program. We prompt the user with console write to then use console readline to get the typed text, converts to int32, turns that text into an int named age. Finally, we call console.WriteLine with the formatted placeholder to insert the age into the message. This prints, "You look older than 20 years" when the user enters 20. The flow is linear. Prompt the user, capture the typed text, convert it to a numeric type, and print a formatted response. Converting to int allows you to later perform numeric checks or computations. One important note, convert to int32 will throw if the input isn't numeric. In production, you typically use int.TryParse for robust input handling. Some quick examples. If the user types 20, we print "You look older than 20." If they enter 45, we print "You look older than 45." The program mirrors the input back in the sentence. If you want to handle the invalid input gracefully, replace convert to int32 with int.TryParse and the friendly error message. Though tiny, this pattern is everywhere. Command line tools, interactive scripts, and form-based applications all need to read input and respond. Once you can read and convert input reliably, you can add conditional logic. For example, different messages for minors versus adults or personalized onboarding flows. To wrap up, we've built a concise C# program that asks for the user's age and prints a friendly message with that number. It's a great beginner exercise to practice console I/O and symbol formatting. For more robust programs, add the input validation and consider branching logic to vary the message. Nice work. Keep experimenting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.